This AI hack has led me to getting more leads as a real estate agent. I'm going to be breaking down a strategy that any realtor can use to start targeting more people on their social media using artificial intelligence. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. I've been on the leading edge this whole entire artificial revolution and really implementing this into my real estate business. And I've personally seen a massive growth from me generating more leads using artificial intelligence to also closing these leads faster. So if you're someone that wants to learn the Mortlock method of artificial intelligence to get more business as a real estate agent, go to the description. I have a course giving you step by step on how you can do it. And when you take this course, you're going to be able to implement exactly what I'm doing right after because it's that tangible and so easy for you to do. You just need to be shown the tricks and tips of having the artificial intelligence do the work for you. And that's the main points of what I do in the course. I teach you how to prompt ChatGPT correctly in order to get the results that you're looking to do. So let's dive into this AI lead generation tool that I found. It is called Phantom Buster. So what it can do is it can access your LinkedIn, your Instagram followers, and make targeted lists based off of people that you potentially want to go after. So I've been using it on LinkedIn to go after certain type of professionals, and it can do automatic DMing for me on there, but it can also produce me these lists that I can now transform that information into an email newsletter specifically targeted to that type of audience. So what I was targeting was accountants in Kelowna in a certain age range, and I used Phantom Buster to produce this list, and then I developed an email marketing campaign specifically to draw attention to accountants on how they can leverage maybe properties they have or get into the market that was specifically tailored to accounting, making my marketing 100 times more effective from using Phantom Buster. And all these leads were free. There are people that have already been engaging with me, know, like, and trust me because they follow me on social media and interact with my content. It was just the little differentiating factor on me directly reaching out to them was the difference from them going with a different real estate agent for them using me. So if you're someone that wants to see this entire process on how to generate leads for free using artificial intelligence, you're going to want to go in the description and take my course. It's going to be a game changer for any real estate agent.